Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're rediving into a topic that's crucial for all of us as we age. How to improve your brain health naturally. As we get older, it's common to experience some memory lapses and cognitive slowdowns. But what if there are simple, natural ways to keep our brains in top shape? Absolutely, and that's what we'll be discussing today. So let's dive right in. Our brain is a complex and wonderful organ that requires proper care and attention to function optimally. Fortunately, there are several natural ways to improve brain health and cognitive function, without resorting to medications or supplements. The first one on our list is omega-3 southern berries. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are your brain's best friends. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are crucial for brain health. They support cognitive function, memory, and even mood. Incorporating foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts into your diet can provide these essential fats. DHA is particularly important for optimal brain function. It's a key component of brain cell membranes and plays a role in signal transmission. Studies have linked low DHA levels to cognitive decline and mood disorders. On the other hand, berries are packed with antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin E, manganese, and fiber. These nutrients support overall brain health and cognitive function. Some studies suggest that consuming berries can improve memory, attention, and processing speed. Next, we have brain games and reading. Keeping your mind active and engaged is vital for maintaining brain health. Brain games and puzzles like crosswords, Sudoku, and memory games can help keep your mind sharp. They stimulate cognitive function and can help improve memory and problem-solving skills. Reading, on the other hand, is an excellent way to exercise your brain. It improves language skills, increases knowledge, and stimulates imagination and creativity. Both activities are not only entertaining, but they also offer significant cognitive benefits. The third point on our list is sleep and mindfulness. Sleep is essential for brain health. During sleep, the brain processes and stores memories, clears out toxins, and prepares itself for the next day. A good night's sleep is crucial for optimal cognitive function. On the other hand, mindfulness and meditation practices can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can have a negative impact on brain health and cognitive performance. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can help improve focus, attention, and emotional well-being. Finally, social interaction is an often overlooked aspect of brain health. Staying socially connected is important for both emotional and cognitive well-being. Social interaction helps keep our minds active, prevents cognitive isolation, and provides emotional support. Engaging in social activities and maintaining a strong social network can help keep your brain healthy and improve overall quality of life. It's important to note that, while these natural methods are very effective, they're not a substitute for professional help when needed. If you're concerned about your brain health or experiencing significant cognitive decline, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. In conclusion, improving brain health naturally is entirely possible and essential for a high quality of life as we age. By incorporating omega-3 southern berries, engaging in brain games and reading, prioritizing sleep and mindfulness, and fostering social connections, we can support our brain's health and cognitive function. Remember, it's the small, consistent steps that make the most significant impact on our brain's long-term health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Together, we can prioritize brain health and cognitive well-being as we navigate the journey of aging. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and keep those brain cells firing.